name is Aprajita. I joined here at FunTQ from last 1.5 years. My early onboarding was very easy, very smooth. I felt welcomed by the team and the managers. It was very quick and very smooth. I loved when I entered here. I loved the process, like my onboarding and my induction meeting. It was too good. Like if you come to an investment banking, you will always think it is a very rough and very hard working, very fast paced space. But what I have noticed here at FunTQ, it's very smooth and very very good experience that you can have. So it's too good. Currently, I'm working here as a senior front-end associate, and I'm handling the onboarding of clients. So I'm handling the consumer sector here and the healthcare as well. So my work involves like having the meeting with the clients and onboarding the client. So first, I research about the industry. I see the financials, industry report, researching about the companies in different sectors, and then having a meeting with them. And then we like in the meetings there is a very good experience that I always gather. Like you can always note like having a meeting with any founder or someone who's built with this much big business, and meeting them, understanding their business is always an amazing experience that I gathered. So the best part of my work here is having client meetings and then onboarding them, understanding their business and learning from their experiences. So I love my work. The best is that I extremely learn from the work process here at FunTQ, and the real world impact that we create by giving them strategic partners, financial partners. That is amazing. What sets FunTQ apart is its commitment to innovation and people. So company doesn't just focus on the number of deals and the ticket size of the deals. Company focuses on the growth of their people and their clients and how they are serving the businesses. So what the best thing I like here is they not only just focus on how we work here, they also focus that how we are growing here. So they try to give us different exposures to different events, different projects. So I myself have handled multiple projects here, multiple events. I've gone there and met multiple people. So it was amazing and tremendous experience that I have gathered here in last 1.5 years. My advice to anyone who is joining FunTQ will be just simple, that come up with an open mind and willingness to learn. Be collaborative and be always open to learn everything. You will meet different people with their amazing experience. So you'll learn a lot here from their experience. You will absorb a lot. So you should come up with an open mind, ask questions, learn from the environment, collaborate, coordinate with the team, and yeah, just give your best to the team and try to be just to grab the opportunities. You'll get a number of opportunities here. You just have to be ready to grab them.